Just got done taking pictures of a waterfall. It may not look much, but in like some of these crevices, there's some running water going on right here. So I did some long exposures. So yeah, this is day 2 of some pretty awesome, fun adventures, and there's gonna be more opening up soon for me, which is gonna be even more awesome. So definitely check out. Just definitely keep watch on my photography page on my Facebook page. You definitely see a lot more, and also on my YouTube channel. Sometimes I forget about my YouTube channel. I need to start posting on there some more. So yeah, definitely enjoy some of this video of this waterfall. It's really awesome. And this is from the top of the waterfall. So yeah, this is where the waterfall starts. Well, not starts, but kind of, you know what I mean, the photogenic part of it. Some of that. Come up here.